Stewed stingray with coconut milk, locally known as kinunot, Ginataang Pagi. Cooked right where the ingredients are sourced. Please join me at our backyard for some learning and fun. Cooking tips for this dish. Carrot tip. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. What a colorful environment we're in. We are close to the sea and we're cooking seafood. It's kinunot, a Bicolano dish. We're cooking this as authentic as possible. I've learned this when I was in grade 3 from a Bicolano. And you can call this just Ginataan Pagi or stewed stingray or devil fish with coconut milk. What do we need here? Of course, the stingray, which I already steamed and deboned. The skin has to be discarded. It has a sandy texture. This is restaurant grade, so we have deboned it. It's an option. And we have moringa leaves also. I had to cut down or to prune a moringa tree to get leaves, but it's for its own sake to promote side shoots. What else? The classic garlic, the ginger. We need ginger because it's seafood, and onion. Let's start with the stir fry. It's hot here. I hope the lighting conditions are good. If you're wondering what are those dark spots, those are from the pepper. I'm cooking a different dish while slicing the onions. I forgot to mention about the coconut milk. I did not show you how to prepare it, but it was freshly grated and squeezed from the coconut trees in our property. I'll add the pagi or the devil fish stingray, if you will. I'm tempted to add patis here for the umami taste, but no, this is fish and it has strong taste. You might want to say, Romulo, why did you not cut it in small pieces? Well, it will disintegrate. It's already cooked, so it's rather soft. These big chunks will break apart, trust me. I'll add some salt. According to taste, of course, this much. We can add more if desired. Traditionally this calls for chili because coconut milk or cream with pepper just go perfectly well together. But we are in a region where the people are pepper or spicy intolerant, so we're dropping it. We're dropping the chili. The moringa leaves, I don't know why the moringa leaves, it blends perfectly with this dish. The stingray has strong taste, but this neutralizes, just like the use of parsley in most seafoods, this has the same function. It has a parsley-like taste that it also neutralizes the strong taste of it. The amount, by the way, the amount of moringa leaves is dependent on your economy. If you're short of this and you want to add more moringa leaves, that's also an option. In fact, you can cook this by itself. Ginataang malunggay or moringa leaves, stewed moringa leaves in coconut oil. I recently went to Bicol, and you know what? In a carinderia, there was more moringa leaves than the pagi or the stingray. For our case, it's just topping. We can add the coconut milk now. Everything. Look, these are from the coconut husk. You cannot avoid it when grating the coconut. You can avoid the husk from falling onto the coconut. Let's just allow this to simmer away while we enjoy the view. Can you hear the birds? You know what? Cooking usually looks good on screen, but the reality is it's uncomfortable. The wind is blowing against me, and along with it is the heat of the flame. This is reality cooking. Oh, perfect. Perfect. The stingray has been steamed, so I'm sure it's been cooked. Let's add the moringa leaves now. We can do better than this. We can detach the leaves piece by piece, but that's too time consuming. This is cooked now, and it's time to share it to our neighbor. And they can boil it further to dry it if they prefer so. This is kinunot, Ginataan Pagi.
Thank you for joining me here today, and see you again on the next videos. As we grow, cook and share, this is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden.